May I come into the classroom, please?
Now listen to this version. Excuse me, may I enter the classroom now?
Oh, same meaning, but it sounds much better.
Exactly. And today, we're showing you how to make that kind of upgrade in real school English. Hey everyone, and welcome back. I'm Liam, and this is Skill Podcast.
Hello, friends. I'm Christina. Welcome back to another episode.
Today, we're looking at real English sentences students use in school every day.
Exactly. And what I love about today's episode is that we're showing how the same idea sounds at different levels.
That's a great point. Same message, but different confidence and vocabulary. All right, let's jump into our first situation. Picture this. You're standing outside the classroom and you want to come in politely.
Right. A beginner student usually says something like, "May I come into the classroom, please?"
That's actually very polite already. Now, an advanced student might say, "Excuse me, may I enter the classroom now?"
Oh, I hear the difference. It sounds smoother and more confident.
Exactly. Not better meaning, just better flow. Now, let's talk about one situation everyone experiences: being late.
Oh, yes, very common. A beginner student might say, "I am sorry I am late because the bus arrived late."
That's honest and clear, which is good. An advanced student might say, "I apologize for being late. The school bus was delayed this morning."
Wow, that sounds much more professional, like something a teacher would really respect.
Exactly, and teachers notice that tone. Now, let's move to something important: not understanding a lesson.
I like this one because many students feel shy. A beginner student might say, "I did not understand this lesson very well."
That's actually brave to say. An advanced student would say, "I'm having difficulty understanding this part of the lesson."
I notice it sounds calmer, not embarrassed.
Yes, it sounds like a confident learner, not a weak student. What if the teacher is speaking too fast?
A beginner student might politely say, "Could you please say that again more slowly?"
That's very respectful already. An advanced student might say, "Could you please repeat that a little more slowly for clarity?"
Ah, that word clarity really changes the feeling.
Exactly. It shows you care about understanding, not complaining. Now, let's say you want to ask a question in class.
A beginner student might say, "I have a question about today's lesson."
Simple and clear. Nothing wrong with that. An advanced student might say, "I have a question regarding today's lesson that I would like to ask."
It sounds more formal, but still friendly.
Yes, perfect for classrooms and presentations. Let's move away from the teacher and talk about classmates.
Good idea. A beginner student might say, "Can I borrow your pen for a few minutes?"
That's very natural. An advanced student might say, "Would you mind lending me your pen for a short while?"
Oh, that sounds extra polite.
Exactly, especially useful in formal schools. Now, asking for help, something smart students do.
True. A beginner student might say, "Can you help me with this exercise, please?"
That's a great learning sentence. An advanced student might say, "Could you help me understand how to complete this exercise?"
I like how it focuses on understanding, not just answers.
Yes, that's the mindset of strong students. Homework can confuse anyone.
Absolutely. A beginner student often says, "I am not sure how to do the homework."
Very honest. An advanced student might say, "I'm not completely sure how we are supposed to do the homework."
It sounds more thoughtful and careful.
Exactly, and teachers appreciate that. Now imagine the homework is finished.
A beginner student might say, "I have finished my homework and want to submit it."
Clear and confident. An advanced student might say, "I have completed my homework and would like to submit it now."
That sounds very organized.
Yes, it gives a good impression. Group projects are everywhere in school.
True. A beginner student usually says, "We are working together on this project in a group."
Good teamwork sentence. An advanced student would say, "We are collaborating as a group on this project."
That one sounds very academic.
Exactly. Great for presentations. Let's talk about school rules.
A beginner student might say, "We should follow the rules of the school."
That's responsible thinking. An advanced student might say, "We are expected to follow the school rules at all times."
It sounds more official.
Yes, like school policy language. Now the big topic, exams.
A beginner student might ask, when will we have the next exam?
Straight to the point. An advanced student might ask, could you please tell us when the next exam is scheduled?
That sounds very polite and careful.
Exactly what teachers like to hear. Let's end with something positive, effort.
I love this one. A beginner student might say, I am trying my best to do well in my studies.
That's a strong sentence already. An advanced student might say, I am doing my best to perform well academically.
That sounds confident and mature.
Exactly. Confidence grows with practice. So remember, it's not about being perfect, it's about growing step by step.
Start simple, practice often, and your English will naturally improve.
If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone!